$19,000 grill package. What do you think? 3-7. I'm going 7. 7? You got it. Yeah. Thank you, Manuel. Lucky 7. Here we go. 1, 2. Get a nice trip up a Pomelo. Oh, that's good. Yeah, enjoy it. And we're going to spin the wheel right after this. Go my way.
You got a Pepto predicament, Ace. You overdid it on the loaded fries. Now you got it's in the gutter. Pepto Fast Bounce, so you can keep on rolling. When you overdo it, undo it with Pepto Bismol.
Remember, the annual enrollment period is here. The time to choose your coverage begins October 15th and ends December 7th. So call United Healthcare and get coverage you can find for your whole life ahead with a broad range of plans, including an AARP Medicare Advantage plan from United Healthcare. It can combine
And now you can flip.
doctor coverage,
Yep.
and your prescription drug coverage, and more, all in one simple plan for a low or $0 monthly premium. United
What I
Healthcare
do pull it down a little bit.
built to be used, including $0 annual
Make
physical
sure it's
exam,
nice and snugged.
and $0 preventive and colonoscopy. And who gets more for your $1 with $0 copays on covered routine
Put a staple there. Then what I do is make sure it's straight here. So I take this. The letter opener. You know, a little bit like that. Tight. Get some of it in. There's some thick material too. So I'll make sure it's in there pretty good. And then what I do, I cut it in this way, where it ends at. So what I do is cut it right where that rail ended at, which is right there. Yep, it ended right there. So I'll cut in this way and up. Leave that long, because you're gonna fold that like over. So what I would do is, see, this has to come down like that, so that'll be straight. So I'll go in, cut it in here. These ain't the scissors, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, these things. But I gotta take these and put them back into what you call it. Put them back in there. Always make sure you got it enough stuffed in there already, because you know, you don't want too much stuffed in there, because then you won't be able to fold it right. And what you do is,
One spin each. High number goes to the showcase. Go ahead.
see, this stuff is thick.
Here we go. Yeah, it's heavier than people think it is.
See, this is thick.
You have to cut some wall.
You are so close.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to.
All you gotta do is beat a 15. You're on your way to the showcase.
Hopefully not. See, I should have went less this way on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, go less this way on this, and take this that you're putting on and lay that up there. So when you wrap it over, it's straight. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's gonna look that bad. I don't think it's gonna look that noticeable. But the other side, I won't go as far as I did on that one. Then you just take it and move it over.
Give it a try. I wanted to help you just like it has helped me.
Prevagen at stores everywhere without a prescription.
In 50 years, be my best friend.
And usually you can stuff this in pretty easy, but this material's thick. The rod, let me see that rubber mallet right there.
Enjoy your risk-free trial.
They probably won't notice it anyway.
Sure can.
Did you hear about our state-certified hearing care specialists? Our experts take the time to get to know you and your hearing needs. Call 1-800-966-0636 now.
Everybody hear me?
Let me take that, fold it that way.
Did you hear about our smallest
Hold that.
rechargeable hearing aids? They're nearly invisible and comfortable to wear. Try risk-free. Call 1-800-966-0636. Can you hear me?
Sure can.
Yeah, the other side's gonna be much better.
Oh, hey.
I went a little too far on the.
Did you hear about our lifetime of aftercare? Every hearing aid.
Trump wants a national sales tax on imported goods. Donate